Hello children, good morning. This is your drawing teacher Vijay wishing you all a very blissful and energetic morning. Children, today I am showing you how to draw Karnataka map easily with simple measurements. Okay, come on, let us start the video. See, this is the final output of accurate Karnataka map drawing. For drawing, first we have to draw a rectangle of 5 into 3 inches. See, here it is 3 inches and here it is 5 inches. 1 2 3 4 5 5 into 3 inches rectangle we have to make. After making the rectangle, we have to make the graph like this: 1 2 3 and 1 2 3 4 5. Vertically we have to make 5 inches and horizontally 3 inches. Now let us start. Before starting, we have to make the markings. In the first box, here we have to make a mark. After making this mark, we have to make a small curve like mark, and in the second box at this top we have to make another curve. See, small curve we have to make here, and after this, in this third box we have to make a mark here, and coming to this fourth box, a line will come from here to here, so we have to make a mark here. After this one, in fifth box, at this point we have to make a mark like this, and we should not make any mark in that box. And now in this box, at the center we have to make a curve, and here also we have to make a point like this. Coming to this box, continuity from this point, we have to make a center point from in this box like this. Afterwards, after making this point, here at the down we have to make a point like this. And coming to this box, at the little far from the center, we have to make a point like this. In this box here we have to make a point. And coming to this box here, at the top we have to make this here one point, and this side, at the right side, here we have to make a point. And in this box here we have to make a point, and in the middle box to the bottom we have to make a curve like this, and at the last box at the top we have to make a point here. Okay, on this graph now we have to join the points. We have to join the points like this. See, from this top we have to make curve lines like this, and we have to join these two curves like this from here to here. Now from this point we have to start this curve like this, and from the corner we have to come up to here, and here we have to take it vertically downside. See, here we have to take it vertically downside, and we have to join it here. After joining it here, from this curve to this curve, again we have to join here like this. From this curve we have to start now, and we have to come down, and we have to join here, and from here to here just we have to drag the line, and to this point we have to drag the line downwards like this, and here also to this point we have to draw a line like this, curved line. Now again we have to go to top or right side. At this point we have to make an edge like this, and we have to join the 2 points, and from here again in the middle we have to make an edge like this, and we have to join this. After this we have to come little inside. See, like this, from inside we have to join the another point, and again we have to come inside, and we have to join this point here. At this point now we have to go and join the point to the right side, and up to here we have to make a curve like this inside this one. See, like this we have to make a curve, and we have to make a bump here. Now from this point to this point here we have to take it little upwards, and we have to come down. See, like this we have to go upwards, and we have to come down and join the point here. And from here we have to go little outside, and we have to join this point like this. from down we have to come and we have to join the point like this. Now the last, from this point to this point, just draw this curve, stop here, and at this point we have to bring another curve and we have to take it inside and we have to join it here. See how easily we have drawn the Karnataka map, isn't it? Try it yourself. Good day. Bye.